And so when I retired, I was just poking around on the internet at the Albuquerque Public Library. I saw this was here. Came in for one of the Saturday events. Bill was there, and introduced myself, and so I've been working since I did. I've been volunteering here since I did that.
Questions, and of course none of them have any questions until I say, okay, you go choose what color paper you want and get lined up and decide who's first, second, and then their eyes bug out and they say, we get to do this? And I said, yes, you do. But within 50 years of Gutenberg starting on the Bible, there were probably somewhere in the neighborhood of between 30 and 35 million books have been printed and distributed. Well,
and I don't know how you spell it. It's B-R-A-Y.
Can Bill and get back there, or can you see?
I can see it.
Okay.
Come back, come back. More. Ooh,
Yeah.
nice. More job. He was the quiet room, one of the 4 people who were here, waited till the other 3 left. And he has not been quiet since.
Yeah, they have a hard time shutting me up.